Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly radiate a natural glow, boasting skin that looks healthy and vibrant? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving naturally beautiful and glowing skin. Forget harsh chemicals and expensive treatments. We're focusing on the power of nature and simple, effective habits. Let's start with the foundation: what you eat. Your diet plays a huge role in your skin's health. Think of it this way: you can't build a beautiful house with poor quality materials. Similarly, you can't have glowing skin without nourishing it from the inside. Focus on a diet rich in fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants. These help combat free radicals, which can damage your skin cells. Berries, leafy greens, and colorful peppers are your best friends here. Don't forget healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts, which keep your skin moisturized and supple. And of course, drink plenty of water. Hydration is key to flushing out toxins and maintaining that natural glow. Next up, your skincare routine. Keep it simple and consistent. The goal is to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize. Start with a gentle cleanser that removes impurities, without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Exfoliation is crucial, but don't overdo it. Aim for once or twice a week to slough off dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. Look for natural exfoliants like sugar or oatmeal. Finally, moisturize daily. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, opt for a lightweight, oil-free formula. For dry skin, a richer, more emollient cream is best. And always wear sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Lifestyle choices are just as important. Sleep is your body's repair time. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, so find healthy ways to manage it, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. And lastly, be mindful of the products you use. Look for natural and organic skincare options whenever possible. Read labels carefully and avoid products with harsh chemicals, fragrances, and parabens, which can irritate and damage your skin. So, to recap: eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Keep your skincare routine simple but consistent. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and choose natural products. Achieving naturally beautiful and glowing skin is within your reach. It's about consistency, patience, and embracing a holistic approach to skincare. Thanks for watching, and remember to love the skin you're in.